Hello everyone. Well, it's not pens today. It's plasma. Yeah, it's one of those devices that you get from China that makes things that you probably shouldn't make. Yeah, this one makes a plasma donut. You heard me? Let's go have a look, shall we? Rightio, so we've seen plasma globes before, and we've seen Tesla coils before. We've seen plasma in any number of forms, including that candle plasma that I got recently. This one's different. So here you'll notice that there's the electrodes are on the outside, right? This copper wire here is inducing a magnetic field in this area, and it's doing it in such a shape that there's this stable torus in the middle here, right? So a donut. Yeah, the magnetic field can induce the plasma from within a globe placed on this coil without there being an actual electrode inside, right? So it's the induced electric field. And here is a globe. So this is obviously entirely sealed. Contains xenon. It's rather large, as you can see. In fact, you probably can't see all of it there because it is so rather large. How's that? Can you see all of it? Pretty much. I think so. Right. Should we turn it on and see how we go? It's likely to need an ignition. And for that, we've got this piezoelectric spark here. So this is the kind of thing that you can use to, I don't know, like one of those electric lighters where you click it and it creates a spark that then can ignite butane inside a lighter. All right, let's see how we go here. So turn it on. You can hear it. Yeah, I can hear a high frequency here, but can't really see it yet. I find that, yeah, well, let's just do it, shall we? Let's see how we go. There we go. And, come on. There we go. Nearly there. More? Whoa, it's too much. Turn it down. Turn it down. Whoa, what's going on? That wasn't stable at all. Come on. Whoa. What's happening? There we go. There we go. Ah! Come back. Come on. Come on. Turn it down. Beautiful. Look at that. Whoa. Okay. That's the best I've got so far. That's phenomenal. All right, I gotta go turn the light off. That's incredible. That's the first time that I've got the torus to form perfectly stable like that. Wow, that's incredible. If I rotate it, what happens? Not much. Oh, look at that. Come on. Come on. Go back to where you were. Come on, down. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's perfection. That's gorgeous. Oh, let's get the camera out. See if we can get some different angles. That is mesmerizing. That's incredible. It's going to get pretty warm. Tell you what, I'm going to turn this thing off. Oh man, that's so beautiful. Oh, turning it down. Let's see how it goes as we turn it down. Oop, off it goes. Reignite. Nope. No, it's gone. All right, let's turn it off. Wow. That was absolutely incredible. All right, everyone. That's enough, I think. Good night.